Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about the best apartment living room design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Your apartment's living room is the central hub of your home, serving as a space for relaxation, entertainment, and self-expression. When you're dealing with limited square footage, it's crucial to make every inch count. In this video, we'll explore a diverse range of apartment living room design ideas to help you create a cozy, functional, and stylish living area that makes the most of your space. When dealing with a small apartment, it's wise to invest in furniture that serves multiple purposes. Consider a sleeper sofa, a coffee table with hidden storage, or nesting tables. These pieces can transform your living room into a guest space when needed and offer extra storage to keep clutter at bay. Multifunctional furniture not only saves space but also adds versatility to your living area. Don't forget to utilize your apartment's vertical space. Wall-mounted shelves or bookcases can help keep your belongings organized and create a stylish focal point. Vertical storage is a game-changer in small spaces, allowing you to display your favorite books, decor items, and collectibles. Strategically placing mirrors in your living room can make it feel larger and more open by bouncing light around the room. Additionally, choose artwork and decor that reflects your style and personality, making the space uniquely yours. Mirrors and art create a sense of depth, making your living room visually appealing. Smart lighting can make a huge difference in a small living room. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Consider floor lamps, wall sconces, or pendant lights to create the right mood and illuminate your space effectively. Well thought out lighting enhances the ambiance. An area rug can define your living room's seating area and add warmth and style. Opt for a single large rug or layer smaller ones to create a unique and cozy look. Rugs offer comfort underfoot and delineate your living room area. Floating your furniture, such as your sofa and chairs, away from the walls can create a more open and inviting space. It also allows for flexibility in arranging your seating and can promote better conversation. A floating furniture arrangement promotes a sense of intimacy and social interaction. Select a color scheme that complements your apartment's layout and your personal style. Lighter colors can make a small space feel more open and airy, while bolder hues can add character and personality. Your chosen color palette sets the tone for the entire room. Introducing indoor plants into your living room not only purifies the air but also adds a touch of nature to your decor. Greenery can make your space feel fresh and vibrant. Additionally, incorporating natural elements such as wooden furniture or stone accents can bring the outdoors inside and create a harmonious environment. Create a gallery wall with your favorite photos, artwork, and mementos. It's a unique way to showcase your personality and make your living room feel like home. Choose a variety of frame styles and sizes for an eclectic touch. A personal gallery wall makes your living room truly one of a kind. Furniture with hidden storage compartments can be a real lifesaver in a small apartment. Ottoman coffee tables, storage benches, and media consoles with concealed compartments can help you keep your space clutter-free and organized. Hidden storage is a practical and stylish solution for maintaining a clean, minimalist look. Invest in one or two statement pieces of furniture that draw the eye and capture attention. An unusual accent chair, a vintage coffee table, or a boldly colored sofa can serve as a focal point in your living room. Statement pieces anchor your design and add character to the room. Layer different textures in your decor to add depth and visual interest to your living room. Mix and match plush pillows, cozy throws, and soft rugs for a tactile and visually appealing experience. Texture adds dimension and a sense of coziness to your space. If you're a book lover, consider creating a cozy reading nook in your living room. Built-in bookshelves or a well-placed bookcase can house your favorite reads and provide a quiet escape for reading. A dedicated reading nook offers a serene and personalized space for enjoying your favorite books. For those who like to experiment with design, consider using removable wall decals or wallpaper to add personality and a focal point to your living room without committing to a permanent change. Wall decals and removable wallpaper offer the freedom to refresh your decor whenever you like. Opt for window treatments that allow natural light in while maintaining privacy. Sheer curtains or blinds can make your apartment feel bright and airy without compromising comfort. Well-selected window treatments allow you to enjoy natural light while preserving your privacy. By incorporating these apartment living room design ideas, you can transform your limited space into a comfortable, stylish, and functional area that reflects your personality and suits your lifestyle. Remember, creativity is key. Utilize multifunctional furniture, embrace vertical storage, and make the most of every square inch to create a living room you'll love. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make an apartment living room design ideas. Thank you.